Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a unboxing. I don't know if I want to call it a subscription box unboxing, but it is from a company that does do subscription boxes. So this is from Birchbox, and this is their collaboration with Refinery29 Unbothered. It comes in a pretty hefty box, and if you guys have seen any of my unboxings from Birchbox, they're usually pretty small, little, dainty boxes. You can reuse them. They're typically very cute. When you open on the box, all the contents can be found here, obviously, but it is quite a bit of stuff. This is like jam-packed with stuff, so I'm already really happy about that. So they actually have two collaborations with Refinery29 Unbothered. They have one that is completely skincare, and then they have one that is for hair, and I got the one that is for your hair. So this is the It's Your Crown kit, and it says your pride and joy, aka your hair deserves all the glory. So looking at this, you can see all these melanated goddesses, and they look very, very beautiful, and whatever's in here smells really, really good. So on the back of this information card, there's a letter from Birchbox, and then they give contact information for Deja, who is their senior manager of customer operations and communications. And then it also features the Stay Radiant kit. So as I just said, it talks about the skincare and everything else, and they have another collaboration with them. And then the artist of this is Love is Wise, and the vibrant artwork on the front, it was created exclusively for this collaboration, and she is an LA-based illustrator, a Capricorn, and a queer woman of color whose work has appeared everywhere from the New York Times to Refinery29. And I was gonna say, I think I've seen her work before. So this is really pretty. And then it also gives her Instagram if you want to connect with her that way. So getting into the product, the first thing that we have here is from a brand called Aquise. This is their Rapid Dry Lease Hair Turban, and it is in chevron. This is a full-size product, and it retails for $30. And then when you open up the actual towel, then there is their water defense pre-wash. And I've never heard of what a pre-wash is, but it says, truth, wet hair is weak. How to use: mist directly onto dry hair, spray evenly, set for 2 minutes before washing and cleansing hair. So together these products, this is $29, this is $30, $59. If you were to go and purchase a subscription box, it is $38, not including shipping. So essentially these two products just went ahead and paid for the whole box, which is really, really good deal. And we're not even close to being halfway into this thing. So when you take the towel out, the turban is made from Aquatex. It is a proprietary fabric inspired by workout gear. It's set to cut down drying time of your hair about 50%. And if you're like me, your hair takes forever to dry. I need to invest in a hooded dryer, but that's neither here nor there. And this towel is also said to minimize breakage and frizz. So I am personally on a hair growth journey. My hair has just not gotten the TLC that it deserves, all while I was in nursing school. So definitely looking forward to using this and not using towels anymore, and actually getting some good use out of this. And you guys can see this is pretty big. So nothing to worry about, oh, my hair is too big, it's not gonna fit. This is a very hefty, large product. And then reading the information card about this pre-wash, it says that this is said to reduce hair swelling by 40%. I don't know what hair swelling is, so I will look it up and do my research. But if you know, then definitely feel free to chime in the comments. But by reducing hair swelling, then it also reduces frizz, breakage, tangles, and moisture loss as you're washing your hair. So all things, of course, that we want to avoid for length retention. Next, we have these Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil Drops from Miel Organics. This is a product from a Black-owned brand. I love, love, love Miel Organics. Their deep conditioner is my jam. I love it. So good, so good. Always recommend. And funny story, actually, I was going to buy this at Target, and the individual bottle, I believe, retails for $9.99, but I got it in this box, so I just saved myself $10. But if you don't know about these drops, they are infused with biotin, which encourages hair growth. You can use these daily. They're used as a scalp treatment, and they help with split ends. In recent years, I haven't had as bad of split ends, more so single strand knots, but you can never, do too much preventative care for split ends. These drops are infused with 30 essential oils, nutrients, and biotin. So the main goals of this product are: 1, to help you achieve your length goals; 2, to have good scalp health; and then 3, retain moisture. Another product from a Black-owned brand, this is Oyen Handmade, and this is What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. On the information card, it says, imagine the most luxurious and rich body butter your skin could drink up. Yeah, that's this, but for your hair. It's a deep conditioner that taps hemp seed oil and shea butter to protect and soften, honey to deeply hydrate, and bamboo extract to smooth and strengthen. So I have a confession for you guys. During nursing school, I put my hair through the ringer, didn't deep condition like I should. I would maybe deep condition like once every 3-4 weeks. So I've made a promise to myself that now that I'm working and I'm gonna have a lot more free time, then definitely going to deep condition anytime that I wash my hair. Like every single time, it is a must. I will deep condition. So I've actually never tried any products from Oyen Handmade. This is a 1 fluid ounce sample, and again, it has hemp seed oil, pure honey, bamboo extract, and shea butter. And again, it is Black owned. Next, we have this deep conditioner mask. This is from Briogeo. Their Don't Despair Repair. A full-size product of this retails for $36. I've actually tried these before. I've gotten a little kit. I went to Ipsy Live in New York in October, and they gave us a bunch of samples. So I got 3 of them, and it comes with a shower cap, and then it has the actual deep conditioner product in the bottom. So I have tried this 3 times. I really like it. My hair, my curls, they love it. So definitely, you know, I already know this is good stuff, and it's Black owned as well. On the information card, it's described as a lifesaver for those with dry, damaged, and lifeless hair. It's ultra hydrating, a deep conditioning mask that harnesses avocado, almond, and argan oils to nourish, repair, and hydrate and add shine. So anytime I've used it just putting on a shower cap, walking around and letting the natural heat from my body, you know, work its magic. And then I've also used a steamer, and I think my hair likes it better when I use a steamer in combination with this mask. So that's just a little tip out there for you guys. Next, we have this Miracle Repair RX Strengthening Shampoo from TGIN. Thank God It's Natural. This is also from a Black owned brand. And I will say that I've used a lot of shampoos and conditioners, but when I use the shampoo from TGIN, I'll make sure that I insert a picture of the shampoo I'm talking about. When I use that shampoo and then when I use their conditioner, my hair just, it felt like, oh, this is what my hair is supposed to feel like. Didn't feel like it was stripped of its raw oils. It didn't feel, you know, like a rat's nest. It didn't tangle up. I had less shedding. It was much easier to work with. So now I have a good idea of, oh, this is what it's like when products agree with my hair. So I say all that to say I'm really excited to try this out, try out more stuff from their line. On the information card, it says, from a brand called Thank God It's Natural, would you expect anything less than a shampoo free of parabens, sulfates, petrolatum, lanolin, and artificial colors? We think not. This cleanser gently removes product buildup in addition to repairing past damage. So it's a cute little baby bottle, and I feel like I could get 2 to 3 uses out of this. So I will definitely try and incorporate this next time, and since I'm already using products from their line, then I don't expect to have any issues. And on the bottle, it just says, with black honey and coconut oil, a super moisturizing shampoo that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. Next, from Oribe, we have this curl gelée for shine and definition. A full size of this retails at $44. Oh wow, that smells really, really good. I'm not sure if this is how much was supposed to come in there, but this is how much I have inside of my container. So I don't really think that I'm gonna be able to do much with that. Maybe it's just like, I'll try it on a small section and see if I like it, and then if I do, I'll invest in it, but I don't think I could do like a full wash and go with that. Very pretty packaging though. On the information card, it says, this silky gel's blend of butters and oils help hydrate your quills, making them more defined after your wash and go. As a result, you'll be left with shiny, crunchy-free curls with a light hold. So because my hair is very, very soft, I feel like I need all the crunch, but I've found products that don't make my hair feel super crunchy. So what I meant to say is I need products that have a very heavy hold. With a soft hold, it's just gonna turn into a big ball of frizz. But we are willing to try anything once or twice around here. So I will let you guys know how it works out for me and report back results. Next up, we have this product from Kehemet Biologics. This is their Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. This is also from a Black owned brand. A full-size product retails for $21. On the information card, it says, inspired by African, Mediterranean, and Ayurvedic hair traditions, this thick, concentrated formula intensely moisturizes while encouraging healthy hair growth and strengthening with amla oil. So the instructions on use, it says, warm up cream between your palms and evenly distribute through dry or slightly damp hair. Can be used as a scalp butter or as a treatment for dry ends. Store in a cool environment or in the fridge to maintain the cream's consistency. So this is something that you leave on your hair. At first I was thinking, I was like, oh, is this a deep conditioner? But this is something that you leave on your hair. So so I think I might try this out actually tomorrow, because I am going to, this is a roller set that it only lasted like a day, but this is a roller set. It looked better yesterday. So I think I'll use this tomorrow after I do a wash and go, and I'll be able to tell you guys what I think of it. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, this is from a Black owned brand. Next up from Bumble and Bumble, we have the Hairdressers Invisible Oil Hot Oil Concentrate. A full size of this retails for $30, and this takes me all the way back to when I used to get relaxers and my mom would do hot oil treatments almost every single week, which I have a friend that swears by hot oil treatments. She's natural, but essentially it's kind of like the same thing as us, like, you know, doing a deep conditioning treatment. We used to do those every week. My hair would grow like crazy, and then for whatever reason, we just stopped doing them. On the information card, it says, thanks to a concentrated dose of oils, coconut, argan, macadamia nut, sweet almond, safflower seed, grape seed, and a boost of omega-rich castor oil, this luxe treatment is deeply moisturizing, leaving hair nourished and smooth. So just as I expected, the instructions are the same from when we were younger. It says, place tube in warm water for 1 minute, saturate dry hair from mid-shaft to ends, cover with a shower cap, leave on for roughly 15 minutes, rinse, then shampoo and condition, use once weekly. And when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. This should be, I'm hoping it should be enough to cover my hair. I might need like 2 of these actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, I was like, this might like coat one side of my head, but we're gonna try and make it stretch and use it for the whole head. So again, more results to report back to you guys. These are things that I would probably give you guys updates on my Instagram. But if you guys would want to see like an empties video from everything from this kit, because I definitely see myself using everything here. I'm gonna use everything. I'm gonna try, that's the goal, to use everything here. If you guys would like to see an empties video based on this subscription box, let me know down in the comments below. And then the final thing in the subscription box, this is from Diva Curl. This is their High Shine Multi-Benefit Oil. A full size of this retails at $29. I'm gonna go ahead and preface this with, I've never used any Diva Curl products. I've heard some questionable things about them recently. I've had some friends saying that it was making their hair fall out and it was straightening out their curls. So I've never used any of their products, but this is a Shine Oil. I think that was only their shampoos and conditioners. I will definitely read up on this because I have used products that more recently, there's something that I use, a shampoo and conditioner that I was using before I switched back to TGIN, that I'm pretty sure it loosened my curl pattern and it was making my hair fall out like crazy. It was not Diva Curl, but I'm gonna do my research. I say all that to say I will do my research before I put this on. And if this is not something that's good for me, then of course I will toss it out. So on the information card, it says, this lightweight silicone-free oil gives hair shine, moisture, and definition while fighting frizz. Your natural texture will enjoy hydrating oils like babasu, coconut, pequi, flaxseed, and passion fruit. So in terms of using it, you're going to spray this on wet or dry hair at arm's length and then gently smooth out your curls to seal in the shine. And they recommend using this during your LCO or LOC method. For me, it is the LCO method that works better for me. So that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything that you want to see, if you guys want to see more natural hair videos, more natural hair tutorials, that would be lumped in under natural hair videos, but anything in general from me, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.